If you are searching for the perfect acoustic guitar in 2026, you are in the right place. In today's video, we reveal the top 5 acoustic guitars that stand out for their sound quality, comfort, build quality, and overall value. Whether you are a beginner learning your first chords or an experienced player looking to upgrade, these guitars deserve your attention. Watch until the end to find your ideal match, and do not forget, links in the description. The Fender FA Series Dreadnought Acoustic Guitar Sunburst Bundle is an excellent choice for beginners and casual players looking for a dependable instrument with great value. Fender has combined classic acoustic guitar styling with practical features that make learning and everyday playing enjoyable. The attractive sunburst finish gives the guitar a timeless appearance, while the Dreadnought body shape delivers the rich and powerful sound that many acoustic players prefer. One of the standout qualities of this guitar is its Dreadnought design. It produces strong volume, clear projection, and a full-bodied tone that works well for strumming, singing accompaniment, and a variety of musical genres. The lindenwood top and laminate construction help provide durability, making the instrument resistant to changes in temperature and humidity. This makes it especially suitable for new players who want a reliable guitar for regular practice. The comfortable C-shaped NATO neck allows for smooth movement across the fretboard and helps reduce hand fatigue during longer playing sessions. Combined with the walnut fingerboard, the guitar offers a pleasant playing experience for musicians of all skill levels. The sealed gear tuning machines are another welcome feature, helping the guitar stay in tune for extended periods. What truly enhances the value of this package is the included accessory bundle. The gig bag provides convenient protection during transport, while the tuner, extra strings, picks, and instructional DVD ensure that players have everything needed to begin immediately. Overall, the Fender FA Series Dreadnought Acoustic Guitar Bundle offers excellent playability, dependable durability, and outstanding value, making it a smart purchase for aspiring guitarists. The Moukey 41-inch acoustic guitar for beginners is a well-equipped package designed to help new players start their musical journey with confidence. Combining a full-size acoustic guitar with essential learning accessories, this bundle provides excellent value for beginners, teenagers, and adults who want an affordable and practical instrument. The guitar features a Dreadnought body shape that produces a full, vibrant sound with impressive projection. This design works well for a variety of musical styles, from simple chord practice to folk, pop, and acoustic rock. The basswood body contributes to a balanced tone, while the alloy steel strings provide clear sound and good responsiveness for everyday playing. One of the most beginner-friendly aspects of this package is the included chord poster. It displays many of the most commonly used guitar chords, allowing new players to start learning songs immediately. The clearly marked fret positions on the neck and fingerboard further simplify the learning process by helping players navigate the instrument more easily. Comfort is another strong point. The Okume neck and smooth fingerboard create a pleasant playing experience, while the cutaway design allows easier access to higher frets. The carefully finished frets help reduce discomfort during long practice sessions, making it easier to develop good playing habits. The enclosed copper tuning machines provide dependable tuning stability and smooth adjustments. Combined with the hard bridge saddle and bone nut, the guitar maintains tuning accuracy better than many entry-level instruments. Overall, the Moukey 41-inch acoustic guitar delivers outstanding value, impressive playability, and excellent beginner support, making it a smart choice for anyone starting to learn guitar. The Donner 41-inch acoustic guitar bundle is an outstanding entry-level instrument that combines quality craftsmanship, impressive sound performance, and a complete set of accessories for new players. Designed for beginners and adults who want a dependable first guitar, this package provides everything needed to start learning immediately. At the heart of the guitar is a spruce top paired with mahogany back and sides. This combination produces a warm, balanced sound with clear highs, rich mids, and satisfying resonance. The reinforced X bracing improves both structural strength and tonal response, helping each note ring out with clarity and sustain. Whether practicing chords, strumming songs, or learning fingerstyle techniques, the guitar delivers a pleasing and versatile acoustic voice. The 41-inch full-size cutaway body offers excellent projection and volume, while providing easier access to higher frets. This design makes the instrument suitable for a wide range of musical styles and encourages skill development as players progress. The mahogany neck and Purple Heart fingerboard create a comfortable playing experience, while the clearly marked fret positions help beginners navigate the neck with confidence. Tuning stability is another area where this guitar performs well. The phosphor bronze strings, wrapped around a high carbon steel core, provide strong tone and durability. Combined with a high hardness bridge saddle and plastic steel nut, the guitar stays in tune effectively after proper string stretching. The included accessories add tremendous value. A padded gig bag, digital tuner, capo, strap, extra strings, picks, cleaning cloth, and online lessons ensure a complete learning experience. Overall, the Donner Bundle excels in sound quality, playability, and value, making it an excellent choice for aspiring guitarists. The Kadence A06 EQ SC Acoustica 40-inch Electro acoustic guitar is a versatile instrument designed for players who want a comfortable playing experience with the ability to perform both acoustically and through amplification. With its elegant, natural matte finish, modern features, and complete accessory bundle, this guitar is a strong choice for beginners, improving players, and performers. The Grand Auditorium cutaway body delivers a balanced sound with impressive clarity and projection. The ashwood construction creates a bright yet controlled tone with clear mids, making it suitable for strumming, chord progressions, and light fingerstyle playing. The comfortable 40-inch size offers excellent handling while still producing a full acoustic voice. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its built-in pickup and two-band EQ system. Players can easily connect the guitar to an amplifier or sound system for performances, recordings, or practice sessions. The cutaway design also provides smooth access to higher frets, allowing musicians to explore lead melodies and advanced techniques more comfortably. The rosewood neck and walnut fretboard provide a smooth playing surface, helping reduce finger fatigue during longer sessions. The adjustable truss rod helps maintain proper neck alignment, while the reinforced volute adds extra strength for improved durability. Die-cast tuning keys further improve tuning stability and make adjustments easier. This package includes useful accessories such as a bag, cable, strap, picks, strings, capo, and learning course, allowing players to begin immediately. The natural matte finish also highlights the wood grain while keeping maintenance simple. Overall, the Kadence A06 EQ SC delivers excellent sound quality, playability, and performance flexibility, making it a valuable electro-acoustic guitar for musicians ready to upgrade their experience. The Yamaha FG800J solid-top acoustic guitar is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced players who want a dependable instrument with impressive sound quality and long-lasting construction. Yamaha has built this model with careful attention to detail, making it a reliable companion for learning, songwriting, practice sessions, and performances. The standout feature of the FG800J is its solid spruce top, which produces a bright and balanced tone with strong low-end projection. This construction allows the guitar to deliver excellent resonance and clarity, helping every chord and note sound full and expressive. The large body design enhances volume and creates a powerful acoustic response suitable for various musical styles. The mahogany back and sides add warmth and depth to the overall tone, creating a pleasing balance between brightness and richness. The NATO wood neck provides durability and comfortable handling, while the rosewood fingerboard offers a smooth surface that makes chord transitions and finger movements easier for players at all skill levels. Yamaha has also focused on long-term reliability with quality hardware and careful craftsmanship. The fixed bridge system helps maintain consistent string placement, while the phosphor bronze strings provide a clear, warm sound with excellent durability. Every part of the guitar is designed to support years of enjoyable playing. For beginners, the FG800J offers a comfortable learning experience without sacrificing sound quality. Its traditional design, dependable materials, and professional Yamaha construction make it a great investment for anyone starting their guitar journey. Overall, the Yamaha FG800J delivers outstanding sound performance, impressive build quality, and excellent beginner value, making it one of the most trusted acoustic guitars in its class. Thank you for joining us for our look at the top 5 acoustic guitars in 2026. From premium craftsmanship to outstanding sound quality and value, each guitar on this list offers something special for musicians of every level. Tell us which one you would choose in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow guitar enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. and we look forward to seeing you in our next review.